This is an emergency XRP crypto video. The crypto market has crashed again. We've literally been crashing all the way since the 10th of November. So it's literally been 10 days in a row, every single day, all day long. We are literally crashing, dumping. But something very interesting has happened for XRP on a technical level. What we could see is that XRP, you see this key low here where we bounced massively from. We have now reclaimed this key support here, this key level. Not only that, we've swept this level right here. We've swept the level, taken out the level. They've ran all the stop losses. And now I think they are going to easily and quickly run it back up to these highs. Remember, we have these XRP ETFs. They are live now. But ever since that has come out, the market has literally been dumping so aggressively. Bitcoin hit a new low today, doing the same exact thing as XRP, making a new low, but just slightly under. And you could see the demand here, the amount of buyers here. Look at how quickly we bounced up after tapping this level. It's all manipulation and it's about over. This bottom, we're possibly at a bottom, we are forming a bottom. I'm very, very excited. So we are finding a very bullish reaction here. What we want to see to potentially confirm a bottom is we want to see Bitcoin breaking and holding above this key level, which was previous support. We want to see Bitcoin break and hold above this level. If this can happen, I'm very, very confident that it's probably a bottom in for quite some time. Maybe at least for a couple of weeks. And the same thing has happened for XRP. But if you zoom out and you see what XRP historically does before a very big move, is there's always a sweep of the lows. You see we have these lows, lows, lows. They sweep the lows. You get a big reaction and that's the bottom. And the market starts to pump very aggressively from there. So XRP is at a very similar situation. And ever since that October 10th crash, that Black Swan event, XRP has been dumping and just kind of range bound in this region here. But XRP nonetheless is holding support. It's still very bullish. We are nowhere near the October 10th lows, and I don't think these lows will ever probably be tested, at least for a very long time, in my opinion, not financial advice. But what we could see is we are seeing a nice bullish reaction for XRP. This is an indication that the sell-off is maybe it's very early, soon going to end. You could see this crazy, crazy resistance and sell-off. Once we start to break above this resistance, just like the same thing here, whenever you see these downtrends, once you start to break and hold above this level, this is when XRP is going to pump and go absolutely crazy. We need to monitor Bitcoin, this beautiful reaction for Bitcoin. This is what we want to see. And we also want to start to see bullish market structure. We want to start to form higher lows for Bitcoin. We want to see that with XRP. If that can happen, that's a very, very bullish thing. Now, today was the NVIDIA earnings. And if you look at the futures market, you can see the stock market, the S&P 500 and the futures, the ES and the NQ are ripping. They are pumping very, very aggressively. So a lot of people have been de-risking ahead of the NVIDIA earnings today, which came out very, very bullish, and FOMC today, which is a non-event. So people were selling because of these two events, which are a non-event, and they're actually even bullish. So I think the market is done selling off for now, or at least we are very, very close to it, in my opinion. But I do think it's over with, but I'm probably could be wrong about that. But based on this reaction here, this is what we want to see for this bottom to confirm and to show us that, hey, this is a potential bottom. Bitcoin has also recovered this entire dump today. You see this big crash today. Bitcoin has recovered it very quickly in just a matter of a couple of hours. And if we can come back to this high here, which is 93,500, we start to break and hold above this, it's gonna be on like Donkey Kong. Most importantly, make sure you are in my community. We have been preparing for this moment for a very long time. We've been buying the dips and we are locked and loaded for this huge pump that I think is about to come. If you guys want to follow my profitable trades and copy exactly what I'm doing, join my community today for free, which you guys can literally try today for free. You're going to want to join the VIP tier to have full access and to be a part of my mentorship live sessions on Thursdays. Also, you're going to want to be using my AlgoSniper trading indicator. This thing will give you a sell alert before every major crash and a buy alert at every major bottom. This works for all coins, even for XRP. Before this big crash, you get a sell alert. You guys can try this today for free as well. Also, I highly suggest that you guys are trading over on Blofin. This is the best trading platform in the world. It's the best exchange. We can buy and sell cryptos, long and short them up to 150x leverage. But you're gonna have the cheapest fees on this platform. That's why I'm recommending it. Not because it's the best, but because it's the best and it has the cheapest fees. You'll only be able to lock in those cheapest fees if you use my link below. If you guys get anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.